Here, I have a question. What did you feel when you first saw your father?
Honestly, mix ang emotions ko kasi tatay mo yan eh. He's 80 years old. Sabi niya nga 84 siya. So it must have felt 4 years na siguro sa kanya doon na nasa loob siya ba? Hindi natin alam, di ba? So we try to insist na 80. So sinasabi niya 84 daw siya. But it's only been what? A couple of months.
83 days.
Yeah. So yun. Well, I think at that age, siguro at he's been a very popular former president ever since he came down. Yung wala namang nakakuha ng ganun trust rating even sa buong mundo. So yung hindi ko, I really think he doesn't deserve this. Kaya hindi naman talaga perfecto lahat ng administrasyon, lahat ng mga dumaan na presidente, pero why would you do this to a person that he clearly na pinakita niya sa mga tao on how you love your country? So, you know, during his term, like I said, di naman siya perfecto, but he always emphasizes the love for country. And yet you do this to him, di ba? So yun ang naramdaman ko na it's really so unfair that they did this to him.